Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is RazorBlast250, and I'm doing kind of like a show and tell thing with dirt bike I got back last Christmas, and I've been talking about it, but I just never got around to doing it, and now I'm doing it today. We got we got some good tread, about maybe a quarter inch. It's a Tahoe, anyways. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I'm just saying it's 4 gears, and I got this Ion, this doohickey, what's it called, Air Pro, it's kind of like a GoPro, and I hook it up there, so when this video ends, hopefully that one will start up, and I can do some tricks in there. So, yeah, and my helper today is, Zombie Killers, 101. Okay, and see you later. Hi, here's the drive.
Hang on. It's recording, just hurry up the video. Yeah. Alright guys, there he goes. Pretty cool for a little Tahoe. I don't know if y'all hear that though. I think he hit a stick or something.
Alright guys, well that was today's video about my dirt bike. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Drive. You recording?
Recording. Just hurry up. You recording? Yeah.
Alright. Here's well, that was today's video about my dirt bike. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.